36th Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no talking, reading, walking around, driving, sleeping, or eating. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the judge. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. Good morning, Ms. Bynum. This is the people versus Michael Demars, ticket number U56662720, count 1, enter vacant building without written authorization, and ticket number U5666662620, count 1, narcotic and related drug violation. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Tamika Horn, appearing on behalf of the people, P70303. Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, counsel.
Good morning. Good morning. And for the record, Your Honor, good morning, Melissa Vinek, P53750, appearing on behalf of Michael Joseph Demars. Good morning, everyone. And I also do see my client. Mr. Demars, will you please state your name for the record?
Michael Joseph Demars.
Thank you.
And Your Honor, after consulting with Ms. Vinek, the people have reviewed a order of incarceration, which shows that at the time of the incident, Mr. Demars was incarcerated. We're not certain who obtained this ticket, but at that time he was under MDOC custody.
All right, with that, you're moving to dismiss these matters?
Yes, Your Honor. Removal of dismissal 720 and ticket ending in 620, Your Honor. Thank you.
Any objection, Ms. Bynum?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice. You're all set. Mr. Demars, good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Happy holidays.
You too, Ms. Bynum. Happy holidays.
Thank you.
No, just leave it there. Okay, just leave it there. I'll get it later. All right, Mr. Werbling, you ready?
Yes, Judge, I was ready on Mr. Ramus.
Mr. Raymond?
I think is she here?
Mr. Ramus, unmute your device and turn on your video.
Okay.
So this is the people versus Shanitra Doremus, ticket number SP135379.
Hold on, Judge. I didn't get that.
Ticket number SP131539, count 1, disregard signal red or amber. Ticket number SP13154581. No operator's license on person. Good morning. Say your name.
Ben Wormling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, your name for the record. Mr. Ramus, you state your name for the record.
Oh, yes, Shanitra Doremus.
Judge, this is the date and time set for a bench trial. I believe the officers failed to appear, and given the time, we move to dismiss for those reasons.
This matter is dismissed without prejudice as the officers failed to appear. You're all set, Mr. Ramus. Have a good holiday, ma'am. Good luck.
Thank you. You as well.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This is the people. Thank you. This is the people. How do you pronounce your name? First name, Mr. Rich.
Unique.
Mr. Demars, we're gonna remove you. You're all set, sir. Good luck to you, sir. Pronounce your first name, sir.
Unique.
Unique. Okay. This is the people versus Unique. Rich, ticket number P1371077, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, count 2, park autos on city property. Good morning. Please say your names for the record.
Ben Wormling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Sir, could you state your name for the record, please?
My name is Unique Rich.
Judge, date and time set for a bench trial. My understanding, the officers failed to appear, and given the time and for those reasons, we move to dismiss at this time.
Matters are dismissed without prejudice as the officers failed to appear. Good luck to you, Mr. Rich. Have a good one, sir.
Yo, you too. Happy.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, this is the people versus Shamvika Drew, ticket number P1310393, count 1, failed to stop a stop sign, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Shamika Drew.
I don't know who's on this one. Go ahead, Mr. Worthing, go ahead.
Ben Wormling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right. This is separate trial at 9. The officers
Yes, good.
appeared.
We would move to dismiss due to the officer's failure to appear, Your Honor.
Matters are dismissed without prejudice as the officers have failed to appear. You're all set, Ms. Drew. Good luck to you. Have a good holiday.
Same to you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. People versus Matthew Dietrich, ticket number P11999678, count 1 improper place, count 2 no insurance misdemeanor, count 3 driver license suspended. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Matthew Dietrich.
And Judge, this is a retained matter. Am I correct in stating that?
Go ahead.
Yes, and Your Honor, that is Attorney Matthew Dupuy, who's in room 1 right now.
Got it.
Thank you.
I'll get it in a minute. Mr. Douglas? Mr. Donald Douglas?
Yes.
Good morning, sir. So most of the officers did not appear on yours except for one, and that's Officer Reno. And that's for the no operator's license in possession. The offer would be failed to display. You could plead to that, or you could go to trial on that matter. He's out in the hallway. And
I got license.
say that again.
I got license.
You do have your license?
Yes.
Let me see it.
Hold on a second. I need to go grab it. That's cool.
All right, go get it. Are we ready? Mr. Dupuy, we can call your matter, sir. This is the People versus Matthew Dietrich, ticket number P11999678, count 1 improper place, count 2, leave that alone, please. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, count 3, driver license suspended. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Kyle Dupuy for Mr. Dietrich.
Say your name, Mr. Dietrich.
Good morning, Your Honor, Matthew Dietrich.
Officer, Mr. Dupuy, you got a motion?
Yes, Your Honor, we move to dismiss these matters.
Separate trial at 9 o'clock.
Pull up.
Officers here, you're all set.
All right, thank you, Judge.
Have a good holiday, everyone.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Douglas, you got your stuff?
Yes.
Mr. Are we ready on Rochelle too?
Let me see, Judge.
I see he's out here.
Michael Rochelle.
Yes.
Let me put it up to the camera, Mr. Douglas. Say it a little closer. Can somebody read that? Because I can't see it.
It's too dark in his room. I can't see it. Madam Prosecutor,
Yes, sir.
could you, oh, you're in the courtroom, so you can't, okay.
Yes.
226, 2000, it's either 25 or 26.
Yeah.
Twenty-
All right.
Yes,
26.
Okay, all right, this is the People versus Donald Douglas, ticket number P981662, count 1, failed to display, count 2, improper place, count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number 2273239, count 1, no operator's license in possession. Ticket number 197018845, count 1, no operator's license in possession. And ticket number X366666069, count 1, open intoxicant in vehicle passenger. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Sir, could you state your name for the record?
Donald Douglas.
And Judge, we would move to dismiss for failure of those officers to appear and for valid documentation.
All right, so the court grants the motion for the cases that the officers are not present. For the one case that the officer is present, Mr. Douglas did show valid documentation. You stipulate the proper cause.
Yes, Judge.
All right, so that matter is dismissed without prejudice as the defendant doesn't have valid documentation. You are all set, Mr. Douglas. Good luck to you, sir, and have a good holiday.
You too.
All right, Corporal Bennett, good morning. What case are you on?
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm to court at the same time. Your Honor, I'm just checking in with your courtroom. It is Evans. I'm sorry, S. Robinson, Shamika, but it has 220 also. So I'm not sure which courtroom it's going to be in.
Shamika Robinson. I don't have her signing in, and I don't see her Robinson on my docket.
Did we do her yesterday?
Shamika, sound like it. Shamika. She's not here. What's the
Yeah,
case?
she must be in 220 because it just says Judge Evans and room 220. So I'll check in with 220.
Okay,
Well, have a good holiday, everybody.
you too.
Thank
And
you.
Be careful.
Are you ready? Are we ready on, Mr. Rochelle? He's out here.
Let me see, Judge.
Mr. Petway, do we still have officers?
We
That's
have,
a pre-trial, so.
we have officers, yes. Corporal Kropik, Corporal McCree, Corporal Rule, Officer Hill, Officer Nelson, Police Officer Fitzgerald, Police Officer Stuckey, and Sergeant Carson.
Okay, so what I'll do is I'll talk, I'm not sure who House Counsel, who their clients are, because I've spoken to all of the officers.
Okay.
Did Davis Wright show up today?
Davis,
Orlando?
Wright, yes.